2019 Hyundai Elantra. This sedan combines safety and comfort with style and performance. You'll look forward to your commute every day with features such as backup camera, pass-through rear seat, Bluetooth, brake assist, keyless entry, front bucket seats, steering wheel audio controls, engine immobilizer, auxiliary input, stability control, passenger side airbag sensor, adjustable steering wheel, daytime running lights, traction control, power side view mirrors. Make an appointment today to test drive this popular model.